Hey y'all, so I am in the middle of recreating my vanity mirror makeup area. So I bought this kit here, Chende, from Amazon. I'll have a link for this below. I have this existing mirror that I already had, but you can get one of these at Home Depot or Lowe's, fairly inexpensive. A roll of tape, scissors, this adapter, and the adapter comes with the kit as well as the bulbs, obviously. So I'm just going to do a quick kind of time-lapse video of how it is that I'm doing this because it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just going to make it so that the wiring here is actually in the back and taped in the back. I saw this in another video by somebody else, but I decided to change it up a little bit so you cannot see the wires at all.
This next part is a little bit hard to see, but you grab the two wires, twist them together on the outside edge, and then you'll tape them down on the back together. I'll also be zooming in a different clip so you could see it a little bit more clearly. Depending on your mirror length, it may be difficult to twist the wires together if there's not enough slack, but what I did is just pull both wires to the outside edge and then tape them back as close together as possible. I do want to mention that I eyeballed the placement of all of the bulbs, but you can definitely measure and tape as you go.
I just finished taping the little parts right behind the bulbs. As you can see, there's just small pieces of tape around the edge. I suggest going back and taping the rest of this down. I'm going to do that off camera because I need both hands and I don't really have a place to put my cameras. Once I'm done taping it, I'm going to put it on my desk and show you guys what it looks like. All right, y'all, so this is the finished mirror. I just have it propped up against the wall. I will eventually mount it, but I need to go get the clips at Lowe's or Home Depot. I'll put links to that below as well of what clips you can use. And this is what it looks like off. I do want to mention I got this desk at Habitat for Humanity Restore, but you can get it on Amazon. I'll link it down below as well. This is a stool that I got at Ross, but you can find similar ones out on the market, online, everywhere. So that is that, and I'm gonna turn on the mirror. So I have it plugged in. All you do is press on here and it turns on, and this is what it looks like on. I need to clean the mirrors here, also my closet mirror, and this mirror is an old one that I had in my bathroom, so there's like paint on the edges. I'm going to use acetone to remove all of that, and it should be good as new. This is the lighting that I get from the actual mirrors by just standing in front of it. If I were sitting, it would be around here. I have a mess in my room. Please don't acknowledge that. I'm actually cleaning right now. I'm in the middle of filming a weekend vlog. I do this every weekend, so if you guys are interested, you can look down below. But yeah, this is essentially what it looks like with it on, and let me turn it off for you guys. There. That's the big difference that it makes. So I really love this idea because it only costs about $20 for the lights, and the mirror is maybe another $20 or so, and the desk just depending on what kind of desk that you end up getting. Again, the brand is Chende.